Hi there, students. To buy up. To buy up. This means to buy as much of something as is available, or to buy all of it, or to buy whatever is available. So, when there is a report that the weather is going to be very bad, people buy up food stocks, or they buy up various different things. Okay, this toy is really popular this Christmas, and people have been buying it up everywhere. Okay, so this is to purchase something quickly and in large quantities, particularly as much as is available or as much as people can afford. Okay, when it was announced that this product would no longer be made, people started buying up the supplies which remained. Okay, so to buy up something, to buy it up, to buy up something, to buy large amounts, to buy all of it that is available. To buy as much as you can get, especially if it's cheap. So the investors were continuing to buy up the shares in this company as it seemed to be a very good value. Okay, so buying up things in large amounts. I remember before lockdown, or at the beginning of lockdown, people were buying up all the toilet paper, yeah, trying to acquire the whole stock of something, or as much as possible. A company is buying up all of the land in this area because they are going to build a shopping centre near here, for example. So to buy up, to buy freely, to buy extensively, to buy the entire available supply of it. So somebody just came into the shop and bought up all the milk. Okay, so they just bought all of it. Yeah, they bought all that was available. When there are tickets for an event, maybe an agency buys up all of the tickets, and then they control the price. Okay, so to purchase all of something that's available. I went to the supermarket and bought up all of the onions that they had. Okay, to buy as much as you can, as much as is offered for sale. And this is the idea of buying up. Yeah, you buy this up is giving the idea of all of, as much as possible, as far as it will go. To buy everything that is available. He bought up all of the silver on the market to try and drive up prices. Yeah, people buying up all of the land in an area to get to increase the price, to control the supply. There is a blizzard forecast, and people are buying up food supplies. Homer Simpson's coming to my office today, so I went to the bakery and bought up all the donuts I could find. Yeah, to buy all of. Yeah, I bought them up. I bought all of them up. Okay. Let's see. Formality, to buy up. 4.5 informality. Use informally. Use in a semi-formal conversation, a semi-formal writing. Very formally, use something else. To buy all of, to acquire, to purchase completely, something like that. And let's see, as to origin, well, the buy bit's easy. I think the up is giving this idea of all of. Yeah. Very often we use up just as an intensifier. So what's the difference between buy and buy up? Up is implying all that is available, as much as you can. So enough. if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To buy up.